trying to find a formula for log base b of m times n. So we don't know what this is, so we can just let it equal z and use the proposition above, as well as the power rule for exponents. So if we let it equal z, then we can write b to the z is equal to m times n. And if we let log base b of m equal a, then we can say b to the a is equal to m, that log base b of n equals c. Well, this is the same thing as b to the c is equal to n, because remember, the base of the log and the base of the exponent are always the same. They must be, according to this proposition. Whatever's inside the log, that's what the exponential is equal to. So we can say that m times n, well, that's just m times n. So in other words, b to the z is equal to b to the a times b to the c, as written here. But what is b to the a times b to the c? Well, we can use the power rule for exponents. So this is just going to be b to the a plus c. Well, if the bases are the same and these equations are equal, then the exponents must be the same. So z must equal a plus c. Or in other words, log base b of n must equal log base b of m, which is a, plus log base b of n, which is c. So we get this rule here. And we can do the same thing for the quotient. So if we did the exact same thing, let it equal z, if and only if b to the z is equal to whatever's inside the log, so in this case, m over n. The only difference is that we don't have times n, we have times 1 over n. So if we multiply m times 1 over n, we get m over n. Or in other words, if we multiply b to the a times b to the c, we get b to the z, like this. And of course, using the power rule, again, for exponents, b to the a times b to the c is just equal to b to the a plus c. So that would mean, since the bases are the same and these equations are, or these two expressions are equal, that z is equal to a plus c. So, in other words, z log base b of m over n is equal to log base b of m plus log base b of 1 over n, which was c. But what is 1 over n? Well, we have seen before from this quotient rule for exponents that 1 over n is the same thing as n to the negative 1. So we can write it as n to the negative 1. And we have seen the power rule for logs, according to this and the proposition, that we can always rewrite log base b of x to the n as n times log base b of x. So it's essentially bring the exponent to the front. So we can bring this negative 1 to the front, and it becomes negative, like this. And so essentially, this is the answer. So we can say that log base b of m divided by n is equal to log base b of m minus log base b of n. So when there's a quotient, we can just subtract.